If you want to set a custom ringtone on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to go to the Files app if you have the audio file saved on your iPhone or iCloud. So in this case, I have this audio file that I wish to use as my custom ringtone. It is actually an MP3 file. Before, you actually had to, it is actually M4R. So in the past, you had to use M4R format in order to be able to use the audio file as a ringtone, but actually right now we can use MP3 files as well. So let me actually get one. There we go. So in this case, as you can see, this is an MP3 file, and we can actually easily set it as the ringtone. We just have to open it, tap on the share button in the bottom right corner, and if we scroll up, you should be able to find use as ringtone. So we can select it, then we will be immediately redirected to ringtone setting, and our new ringtone should be also immediately selected. So after that, we can just exit, and our ringtone is now set up. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.